freshman. I am from LA and I am the president.
My name is Taylor Harlow. I'm a freshman and I'm from Kansas City and I am the vice president.
Hi, I'm Stipe. I'm the secretary and I'm from Atlanta.
Hey there, my name's Phillips. I'm from Orange County. I'm the treasurer too.
We started the group Sons of Pitches because we knew that Pace didn't have an a cappella choir, or any choir at all for that matter. What is a cappella? That's a good question. A cappella is, you know, I know what it is, but I like...
A cappella is just like, it's just like a feeling. It's like just everything you could want out of life.
It's like when I try to put it into words, it gets a little bit difficult.
It's really fun!
It's music, but without instruments.
Aka awesome.
Webster's dictionary defines a cappella as without instrumental accompaniment.
So yeah, that's what a cappella is. And we really want to encourage everybody, no matter what major you are, to come and audition. We want you!
You should sing a verse and a chorus.
Of any pop, rock, or R&B song.
Think top 10 of the last 30 or so years.
Auditions are February 28th.
And March 1st.
With callbacks on
The 4th.
Hey, Sarah, we're lost.
We're so
Where are the
lost.
auditions at?
Oh, West 506! Sarah, but where are the callbacks?
Oh, here.